Tour notes, deal updates, and listing decks used to take hours now take minutes with AscendixRE AI Suite. As your inbox is getting filled with requests and updates, Harvest Email Parser moves those deal data into your CRM. As an email comes in, it automatically extracts key data from the email body and attachments. Harvest just drafts records. Data enter the CRM after your validation. You can parse whole email chains or set up an automation. Need to update records after a call or a meeting? Talk to your CRM. Speak your mind to an AI agent. And see how within one query you get client record updated, calendar event set, and task assigned. Another minute, and it pulls relevant properties from your CRM and drafts an email ready to be sent. And unlike generic AI, it understands the specific terminology of the real estate deals. Want to add some visuals to a dry email, but one brochure takes all your evening? Upload your branded PDF brochure to Composer, and AI will turn it into a reusable, editable template. Composer pulls live data straight from your CRM and populates the template. To make a few tweaks, tell AI Chat what you want to add, remove, or shift, and get an updated template with a consistent layout. Composer can handle marketing materials, reports, and other common documents. With Ascendix Connector, you can even manage your CRM within the LLM interface. CRM data nurtures your AI assistant, so you don't have to onboard it on your business again with every new chat. Search, summarize, create, and update AscendixRE records from Claude or other LLM. AscendixRE AI Suite helps to connect, capture, operate, and present data more efficiently. See how our 4 modules automate your daily grind.